So
Sure.
Apple, you can see I actually just traded here off of R3 for a move back to PDC, and then it stopped me out. The ladder still looked a little weak, so I thought I'd give it one more go. So I made a couple R, gave one R back on that one. So we'll take the loss. It happens, right? We're not always right. My good trade today, or my best trade today, was hey, hello everybody. Thor Young, moderator of Bear Bull Traders. I'm here with the Prophet of Profit, Brian Pesum, and we're here to go over our trades, do a little recap for y'all today. How was your weekend, brother? How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Weekend was good. Yeah. So hope everyone else had a good weekend.
Oh man, I know I did. I actually had fun. I was out in Arizona visiting some family for a couple days. I'm about to take a stop here on Apple, which I have up on the screen. I'll talk about that in a second. There we go. I'm out of Apple. Look how the ladder went bullish there as we go through. But I'll hit a couple of my trades and then we hit a couple of yours and we'll call it fun. So
Sure.
Apple, you can see I actually just traded here off of R3 for a move back to PDC, and then it stopped me out. The ladder still looked a little weak, so I thought I'd give it one more go. So I made a couple R, gave one R back on that one. So we'll take the loss. It happens, right? We're not always right. Let's see. My good trade today, or my best trade today, was a really solid pre-market trade I took on Netflix. Netflix got an upgrade, buy the rumor, sell the news, as it would. So we had a big rally in pre-market out to our R4 here, which is where we like to get short as we look for bulls to take profit. The order book flipped pretty weak at that point, so we went ahead and went short in the pre-market, gave it a new high. Not too bad, and then got a beautiful move down through here. Did a little bit of an ad, got a couple more partials before going all out at the loss of momentum. That worked pretty well for me. And then I also tried a trade on FDX, but I stopped out at break even on it because I just wasn't liking the price action, which seems to have been a fairly good decision. Other than that, that was my trades for the day. How about you, brother? What'd you hit?
Well, didn't really like too much at the open, and then we seemed to start getting. We got some. We were going into the open. You look at the indexes; they were really weak and getting weaker. But as soon as the trading started, the buyers started to jump in there. So I went to one of my favorite stocks. It's been good. It's was Neo. So I grabbed Neo on that breakout.
Oh yeah,
I
right
got
off
it
of
up
here.
to, yeah, yeah. Last little bit was just over 12 or 2060, and then it started to pull back, so I stopped out of the rest. But then I did my trade I like to do, look for these pullbacks to the VWAP, and again came back to the VWAP, so traded it again there. Bounce off the VWAP. So yeah, right there. And then the other trade I did was Oxy. Oxy was just starting to bust out here. I was noticing that during the day that energy was starting to strengthen up, so Oxy was coming up to previous day close. So I just got it long there, and then it really busted out, broke through there, and then just partialed all the way up. Last partial on it, I was around 64, 64.80, and then it just started to pull back, so stopped out of the rest. Other than that, I had a TQQ trade going, and we've finally gone green, but I'm out of that now. So anyway, it was not a bad day.
Man, that's awesome. Great
So
trades, man. You're a master of momentum. I love. I've been using those 920s a lot for my ads. It's kind of what I did on the Netflix when I pulled back because we were kind of holding the momentum. I was like, why not add in here? So those help. Those work a lot for me as well.
hmm yeah, and I love these trades off bounces off the VWAP. That's kind of a classic pullback and finding support trade. So yeah.
Awesome, man. Well, great trades, man. I'm
Yep.
I'm really stoked. You know, came in this morning, hadn't really traded off, on my home setup for a couple of days. So, but figured why not get in here and get a
Yeah.
couple of early trades going. But great trading as
Sure.
always. Really
Awesome.
enjoy hanging with you, man. And for
Yeah.
anyone out there,
Good deal.
YouTube land, make sure like, subscribe, ring that bell, of course. If you'd like to come by and kind of be more a part of the in-house trading that's going on while we're trading, we're answering questions, we're talking about our thesis, whether we think it's going to be long or short, which range it's in. So all while taking these trades for you guys and helping out. So I hope you all appreciate it. Come on by, check us out at BBT, and otherwise, I hope you all have a great trading day. Brian, my friend, great trading as
Yeah.
always.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, brother.
All right. Have a good one, everybody. Bye
Keep it
for now.
green.
Yeah.